Hello student, good afternoon. Welcome in our same lesson number 3rd of history, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. Student, yesterday we started that lesson and I told you about the two groups, Allies and Axis. The second World War where happened between that two parties. Allies was related to the UK, France, USA, USSR, and Axis was related to Japan, Germany, Italy. Allies was the winner in that battle, in that war of Second World War. It was started during the 1939 and it was over in 1945. Student, what is the date of First World War? The date of the First World War is 1914 to 1919. In second page, on the first page we learn the story of Helmut, the 11 years old boy whose father was committed suicide, and we now try to find out the reason about the suicide of his father. See page number 2, page number 50. Under the shadow of Second World War, Germany had waged a genocidal. Genocidal means what? What is the meaning of genocidal? Genocidal means killing on large scale, lead to destruction of large section of people. यानी किसी पूरी सोसाइटी की एक साथ हत्या कर देना, मर्डर कर देना, जिसको मैसकर बोलते हैं. ठीक है, दैट इज जीनोसाइडल. See the meaning here. Genocidal war. Under the shadow of Second World War, Germany had waged a genocidal war which resulted in the mass murder of selected groups of innocent civilians of Europe. The number of people killed includes 6 million Jews and 2 lakh gypsies, 1 million Polish civilians, 70,000 Germans who were considered mentally and physically disabled, besides innumerable political opponents. Means the lots of people killed at one time. On that time, Nazi device and apprehended means of killing people. Apprehended means solution. They take out the solution of that killing people, that is by gassing them in various killing centers like Auschwitz. The Nuremberg Tribunal sentenced only 11 leading Nazis to death. Many others were imprisoned for life. In the Nazi also, they also killed many people. Many people killed over there and many others were imprisoned for life. The distribution did come at the punishment of the Nazis. War for short of the brutality and extent of their crimes. See that the distribution did come at the punishment of the Nazis was for short of the brutality and extent of their crimes. The Allies did not want to be harsh on defeated Germany as they had been after the First World War. Allies means the winner group. They were not allowed to, means they did not want to be harsh on defeated Germany. यानी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जुल्म जर्मनी पर नहीं किया गया था. ड्यूरिंग, कब की बात हो रही है? ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर. एवरीवन केम टू फील दैट. मीन्स व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट? फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर में भी जर्मनी की हार ही हुई थी. Everyone came to feel that the rise of Nazi Germany could be partially traced back to the German experience at the end of the First World War. Means why the Germany is defeated over there. Everyone came to feel that the rise of Nazi. Means everyone arise the question is that why the Germany defeated in the First World War and what was this experience. So students see that in our next page we will get the answer of who is Adolf Hitler and why he decided that to become the Germany a very powerful country in Europe continent. What was the reason behind that and what was the reason to defeat of Germany in First World War according to the Adolf Hitler. Okay, see that. After that I will send you the second video. In that page what we learn about the genocidal. That word genocidal means killing on large scale lead to destruction of large section of people, यानी एक साथ बहुत सारे लोगों की हत्या कर देना. It was happened during the First World War and everyone came to feel that the rise of Nazi Germany could be partially traced back to German experience at the end of the First World War. See, we will see in the next page what happened over there. Birth of the Weimar Republic. Okay.